Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable zoom in mic to match the mic zoom to the camera zoom while recording in video mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the camera app. In here, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, you want to go down and tap on advanced recording options, and then tap on zoom in mic. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it back on. So set that match the mic zoom to the camera zoom while recording in video mode. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.